Assalamu alaikum friends, my name is Muhammad Abdullah and welcome to my YouTube channel. In last video we are starting Adobe Photoshop course, and in last video we learned how to install Photoshop 2021 in your PC. And today in this video we are going to learn how you can remove background from your image and how you can cut your image with pen tool. Let's start the video. Before start this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more latest and amazing updates. Let's jump to the PC screen. So first of all, open your Photoshop that we installed in the previous video. If you don't watch this video, go to description and watch the video how you can install the Photoshop. Now click on create new and create a new file. Now I have already downloaded a picture from pixels.com. I also give the link of this picture in the description. Go to download and this file. Now you can see here this is a copyright free. The main settings to enable the scroll wheel for zoom, go to file and go to preferences. Go to edit and go to preferences and now general. You can also press Ctrl K. Go to tools and here you can see zoom with scroll wheel. Enable this option and click on OK. Now you can able to zoom your picture with your mouse wheel. First of all, unlock this. Click on this lock. Your layer is now unlocked. Now this is the menu bar, this is your toolbar, all tools are here, and this is the menu bar, and here you can choose your colors, and this is your layer bar of Photoshop. Now today we are going to use pen tool. Press P to use pen tool. Here is the pen tool, and the best way to remove background is click on this layer and scroll down, and here you can see background removal option. Click on remove background and wait few seconds to remove auto background from your picture. Now here you can see your background is removed in only one click. You can see the hair are very clearly removed background and here. Now you can also shift your picture into this. Just drag and drop here your picture. Now scroll down and here you press Ctrl T here and you can see these buttons. Scroll down and adjust your photo. Now if you change the background like white, then you have to download some background. I already download a background. Go to the download button. I do not have any background, so I use this. Click on it. Go to this menu and drag this background down to your picture, and here Ctrl T, choose your picture layer and press Ctrl T. Scroll down and drag it to down this. Click on OK. If just a sample, you can choose your background like your requirements. Now the second way to remove background is pen tool. Click on pen tool and you can do this manually like this. You can draw your pattern to cut the background like this. So I do not use this method because it takes too many time. Always use this remove background option, but this option is only available in Photoshop 2022 and Photoshop 2021. So that's in the video. You're gonna learn how you can remove your background from your images in one click. Next video we will discuss how you can design your posters and how you can edit your pictures for editing. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more latest and amazing updates, and also follow the course. Goodbye.